this video, I'm going to show you a variation on Russian stroking. Now this one's going to be a little bit faster, a little bit more emphasis on fast feet, precise, quick changes of circle, okay? Okay, so you can see that this exercise looks quite different to the previous one I showed you, Russian stroking, which was longer edges, big arm movements, big swooping pattern. This is all about kind of like speed and change in direction really quick, okay? So what you're going to do, the edge is shallower, I'm again facing the first curve I'm going around, so I do cross. Okay, and now when I get to here, what I want to do is at the same time as I step, I want to change my body, okay? So I do cross over here, I'm facing this circle, and as I step, bang, I change to face the other circle. So now the center of my chest is facing the new circle I'm going around, cross over here. When I get to there, I step and I change like this. Now this is really important. If you don't do that, you're not going to be able to do it fast down that ice. You're going to be far slower. You'll get stuck. You'll do forward crossover and you'll step, and then as you're stuck in this position, now I'm not in the right position, and if I start changing during the crossover, things are going to start getting wild, okay? You want to keep it controlled the whole time. So I'm there, staying down in the knee here, snap and change. And when I change, I make sure my weight is firmly over my skating foot, okay? If I do crossover here, I snap and change, and you can see I'm sat here. I'm sat with my weight on my pushing foot like this, okay? If you don't do that, if you do crossover step, and you're already leaning into the circle for the next one, well then I'm going to fall onto this foot, and I'm not going to get a good push, right? So crossover, snap and change, pressing strongly down into the pushing foot, push, crossover, I'm here, snap and change my weight over to the new skating leg. Right, so the last thing I'm going to say you want to do is stay very neat with the feet, okay? I do crossover. Now as I step onto it, I then snap it in close to then get a push onto the next step, okay? You don't want to be messy and do step and then step wide like that, not have your skates underneath you, okay? You're going to lose your balance, you're going to fall over, especially if you're skating fast and attacking it. So crossover, step, snap it in. You see I'm ready to go to the next foot.